Hey there, this is Christina with WTI. Are you looking for something more than just a plain old knob? Well, check out these awesome pulls from Ravinte. What I love about these is that they are this beautiful black matte finish. I also just think they make our new closet system look so chic, put together, and updated. They are very well made and hardy. Your hands fit into them perfectly. We got the 10 pack, which was perfect because we have 10 drawers. If you want to make your drawers, cabinets, whatever you're using your cabinet pulls for, look just gorgeous, I definitely would recommend these pulls, and that's my point of view.